As I always say, trading in a trending market is always easier in comparison to sideways market or range bound market. Anyways, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD CAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of AUD CAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame, the beloved 4 hours time frame. And if we look at the chart, then we can easily see that market is in downtrend. Okay, there is no doubt about it. Okay. And the beautiful thing about this downtrend market is that 50 moving average. Okay, this line is the 50 moving average, and this 50 moving average is acting as a resistance to the market. Whenever market is trying to go up, it is getting resistance from the 50 MA. It is coming down. So it was quite easy for us for the last couple of days and weeks, and we got plenty of opportunities and we made good amount of money. And if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you're in a profit right now. Okay. But see, right now, if we look at this particular portion, then we can easily see that yes, there is some price rejection from above, but looking at the overall structure of the market, we can easily identify that yes, market is heavily oversold right now. I'll be showing you. Okay, because see, generally this kind of market is called as sell on rise. So whenever market goes up, we get an opportunity to short the market, and it becomes very easy also. Okay, but see, after prolonged period, after a period of time, whenever market moves to the oversold zone, okay, then you do not get the opportunity that we were getting before. Okay, let me show you. See, this is the weekly time frame. Okay, this is the weekly time frame of AUDCAD, and you can see that AUDCAD is in downtrend from 22nd Feb, or from the third week of Feb. Market is coming down. Okay, therefore market is heavily oversold right now. Just look at the stochastic RSI. Stochastic RSI is clearly indicating that market is in oversold zone since third week of March, April, May. So it's been more than 2 months. Market is in oversold zone. So therefore, there is a good chance that eventually market will go up. Okay, and you can see that I have a price level here 0.9256. Okay. This is the support on the weekly chart. As you can see, there is a support level on the weekly chart in the form of a pivot line, and this is the support. Okay, and right now market is just trading above this support on the pivot line. So the golden days are over. So if you ask me, Avilash, should I short the market right now, then I'll say that no. Market is heavily oversold. The golden days are over. Okay, because see, when we had the opportunity, yes, we made good amount of money, but right now market is oversold. So what should be a strategy now? Okay. Our strategy is quite simple. Okay, if you watch my yesterday's video, then you're in a profit right now. Enjoy the profit. Okay, enjoy the profit and try to come out by this level. Okay, this is your first take profit target, 0.9297. Okay, this is your target as of now. And if you're looking for fresh shorting opportunity, then this is not a right level, because see, in a downtrend market, the strategy is usually simple. Okay, what we do is that whenever market goes up, we just short the market at the resistance, and here we were shorting the market at the resistance for the last couple of weeks, but market is oversold right now, so it is not the ideal position to short the market again. So let the market come down to this price level support zone, 0.9256 level. Okay, so there is a good possibility that when market will be hitting this support level, we will get a good opportunity to buy. Okay, so forget about shorting the market. Shorting days are over. Okay, if you have already short the market, watching my previous video, then enjoy the profit. Come out by this level. Okay, no need to no need no need to stay on the trade as long as market is hitting this level. Okay, just come out from this level, and it's time for us to observe the market. Okay, observe the market at this level. We will wait for the market to come down and hit the support level. Okay, when market will be reversing from this support level, we will wait for 2 to 3 candles or 1 day. Okay, we'll wait for 2 to 3 candles or 1 day, because the market is in downtrend for more than 2 months. So at least we can wait for 1 day for confirmation. Once we get the confirmation that yes, market is taking support, market is about to reverse, then we will place the buy order at this level, 0.9256 level. Okay. Till then, do not short the market. Shorting days are over. Okay. If you short the market, then it will be risky for you. And as I always say, never risk your hard-earned money. Okay. And one more thing, I would like to you to observe the market. Okay. Just observe this portion. Okay. You can see that previously, whenever market was getting resistance from the 50 moving average, it was falling sharp. Okay. Just look at this just look at this sell off, and if I zoom out the chart, you can see that whenever market was getting resistance from the 50 moving average, it was coming down sharply. Okay, but right now you can see that whenever market is getting resistance from the 50 moving average, it is not coming down like previous times, which means that slowly sellers are booking their profits. Slowly sellers are exiting from the market. Try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, the market is not like previous weeks. The market has changed. The number of sellers have gone down. That's why we are not seeing heavy selling pressure on the chart like we used to see before. Okay, therefore do not short the market as of now. We may wait for the market to come down to the support zone so that we can get a big move. Okay, once market reverses from this particular price level, we can hope that we will get a big move. But yes, we need a confirmation. For that, we will wait for 1 day at least. Okay. So this is the analysis for AUDCAD. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.